Welcome to Class Excel Basic. If you see a good video, please subscribe my channel and like my video.
Nếu bạn là người Việt Nam, hãy bấm chức năng dịch của YouTube, tìm đến ngôn ngữ dịch là tiếng Việt để xem video.
If you are not good at English, please press Translate function. YouTube. Look to your country's translation language to watch this video. I have economic statistics table of Asian countries in Excel table. I have used some functions in Excel and I want to convert Excel file to Word to use. In the usual way, we can select all objects and press Ctrl C in Excel. In Word, we can use Ctrl V to paste object copied. However, we can only edit statistics in table by hand-made. So, I will guide you method convert Excel file to Word. You can select all objects and press Ctrl T in Excel. In Word, you press Ctrl Alt V, selection Excel worksheet object, and OK. Double-click the object so that the table is displayed as shown in the Excel sheet. Now, you can use table in Word, have some if functions Excel. Let's see row Asian updated in Word like Excel. If you see a good video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching.